Teletherm Infrared presents a 1-hour webinar presentation on clinical thermal imaging for both human and animal evaluations of the physiological condition. To sign up, go to thermology.com. This program will show you the differences between an industrial off-the-shelf type infrared imager and a system designed for medical evaluations. The FDA recognizes telethermography or infrared thermography for adjunctive or supportive evaluation. Learn about the guidelines for proper marketing and communication with the public. Understand the supportive role thermal imaging plays when integrated with other imaging methods. Learn about the quantitative features of an infrared camera and the associated software, and how this relates to human and animal imaging. We present details on the qualitative aspect when it comes to reading and interpreting the image. Software processing plays an important role here as well. The infrared wavelength range of interest is about 7 to 13 microns and is vital to understanding the relationship of infrared imaging to temperature measurement of humans and animals. An overview of scientific points are presented in this program. Learn about a blackbody reference and the distribution of the intensity of light in the infrared portion of the spectrum. The more you understand, the more confident you become with equipment selection and use of the technology. Featuring examples of medical infrared camera software, from identifying specific temperature values to presenting multiple isotherms, or isolated thermal zones of the same relative temperature value. We'll show how digital zoom is handled without having to take close-ups in order to concentrate specifically on any portion of an image. A short series of example images are presented with discussion of thermal regions of importance as a preview to clinical interpretation. Veterinary images are equally as important, and discussion of protocols and procedures in this area are reviewed. Many supportive areas are also covered. These ensure a successful introduction to the world of clinical infrared thermal imaging regarding reports, third-party interpretation, and setup of an imaging service. Visit the website for thermology.com and sign up for the next webinar or online course. Certification programs are provided. These programs do not require you to own or have used an infrared camera. Please call our U.S. offices at 1-813-418-6165.